Hello, welcome back to Flavor Station, you legends. Now I'm on Instagram, which I'm super active on, by the way, so you should definitely follow it. Definitely, because I'm doing stories, posts. I even did a quiz today. That was very amusing. I made a stir fry, it was just a quick lunch thing, but loads of people got in touch with me, said I should do a video. I did a poll, it was unanimous. So here is a spicy Chinese stir fry. Subscribe, I love you lot. Thanks for choosing this video. I promise you, you will have a sick time. Bow.
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Right then, me old beans, you're gonna need a board for your stuff, a sharp knife, a bowl. We're gonna have one red pepper, well, half of one, couple shallots, couple garlic, 2 spring onion, bit of tender stem broccoli. Yes, man. Now, ginger as well. You can't beat it. We're gonna go with some chili too. We're not messing. It's all go. See, chop that like that. We're gonna julienne these. We're only using half a pepper because it's just for me. Sorry if the recording sounds a bit off. I've lost my microphone. I've only gone and lost it. Next step, chop your spring onions quite big. We're time lapsing here. You want it all in your bowl, ready to just chuck in your garlic, your ginger, your shallots, your chili, everything lock off. But the tender stem we're gonna put in with the noodles, and I will demonstrate this. Julienne that, little bit of ginger. Just gonna dice that small. Yeah, man, small as you can get it. Bit nasty to chomp down on. Half a chili, half a red chili. It's like a medium heat chili. Boiling water, noodles. Break them up a little bit, bang them in, stir, salt, pan, wok, oil, broccoli in. See it there? Veg, hot oil. Let's not mess a boot. That one there's for my Canadian subscribers. Talking of subscribe, hit the bell, hit the ding dong. We'll have a whale of a time, man. Thanks for watching, my G's. Now, hot wok, they're cooked. See them there? Dash them to the side, rest them. Drain them, boom, in with that. Hot stuff. It's fundamental cooking, baby. We're not bloody messing about here. Flipper. Hot pan. Look at the wok skills, mate. The wok skills are unparalleled, rude boy. No messing, blood. You just want to make sure that's all even. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta love a stir fry, man. Midweek lunch. Peng. All that fresh veg. Move your veg to the side, leave the oil to the right. You're gonna come in with 2 eggs. Now we don't wanna pre-mix the eggs, and I'll tell you for why. You want nice big chunks of egg in there that soak up all that soy and 5 spice that we're gonna use. So just let them cook. 5 spice your veg while you're waiting for that bottom of the egg to cook. And then you're just gonna mix up the eggs. And you're sort of making a deconstructed omelette, scrambled egg. Salt and pepper on your egg. Always season your eggs like that for a stir fry. Gets the flavour into it. Just, look at that. See? Now you get big chunks of egg. You don't get that just disintegrated mess that wraps around all your fresh crunchy veg. You don't want that thing. You want it like this. Now your egg's cooked. About 90%. Flipper again. Look at the flick of the wrist, blood. Come on. This is why you gotta subscribe, man. I'm teaching you the ways of the force. The wok king. Now, your noodles drained with your broccoli. Now, your broccoli can go in your noodles when they're halfway cooked. You want it crunchy still, you see? Flipper. You got that 5 spice, that ginger, garlic, chili. Spring onion, shallot, everything in the lock off. Boy, now, we're keeping it simple with this recipe, and a lot of the recipes to begin with, the fundamental skills. I'm going to drop a few gems though very soon. Dark soy sauce. Don't use none of that blue dragon rubbish. Get yourself some proper things from an Asian supermarket or corner shop or anything other than that watery rubbish. This is your seasoning, you see. Liquid seasoning's even better. You know that Maggi stuff. Couple of drops of that in there and you boom bam. Yes, man. I'd like to say a big shout out to everyone commenting as well and sharing the videos. I see it in my analytics. I see your comments. You're all sick. I'm going to do a shout out one day. I'm going to write all the names down of the people I see you supporting, man. Follow up on Instagram as well, at flavour_station. Because it's lit on there, man. There's no messing about. Now we're done. Rest it if you want. Bang, bowl, no messing. We never mess. It's a tasty lunch. No fandangledness. No, it's just good. It's good for you. Make sure you season your noodle water though. Very important. You want that saltiness in them noodles. Not too salty though. You just want them just right. Just follow my lead, you know? Yeah, pile that up there, baby. Look at the steam. Sesame seeds. Sesame. Sprinkle them on there. I normally toast them, but I was in a rush. Look at that. Tear some coriander and you're done. The health benefits of this as well. There's a little oil in there, but it's vegetarian. It's banging, mate. Look at the big chunks of egg. Bombo. You're mad. Chopsticks. I always eat Oriental or Asian food that requires chopsticks with chopsticks. I think it's just a sign of respect. You know? There's my big fat mouth. I didn't know I put that in there. Never mind. Jeez.
Flavor Station.